Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off battery optimization in the Alexa in the Audible app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, which actually opens up like this. From here we just tap on the cog icon in the top right corner. Then under app settings we have battery. Tap on this, and here we have battery optimization, and we can turn on unrestricted battery, which means that the app can use more battery intensive functions, not just the limited basic functions, but it can communicate with other applications. It can interact with other apps while listening to the title that you want to listen to. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.